Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat mga kaibigan natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng mga nakikinig po sa DZWB, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, welcome to your program. Maraming salamat. Ang daming tao dito sa studio. Siguro nasa 8,000 tayo, no? Thank you. Sandali lamang po, katahimikan, 8,000 katauhan, sangkatauhan. Ngayong Sunday po, abangan ang huling pasabog ng 5 Dance Stars duo sa Grand Finals ng Stars on the Floor. Wow! At ang exciting dito, pwede kayong bumoto kung sinong Dance Star duo ang gusto nyong manalo during the telecast habang nanonood po ng palabas. At ito pa, you may vote up to 10 times. At ang inyong mga boto will be combined sa scores ng dance authorities para malaman kung sino ang magiging ultimate Dance Star duo ng Stars on the Floor Season 2. Abangan po natin yan this Sunday, 7:15 in the evening, dito lamang po sa GMA. Maraming salamat. Beautiful inside and out, one of the smartest girls and one of the finest actresses we have in the country today, Naitay Kapuso. Please welcome Janice De Belen.
Hello, Tito Boy.
Hi. Maraming salamat.
Of course.
Oh,
Ikaw pa ba?
blooming.
Oh, thank you.
Oo. When you say, what is your state of mind today?
What is my state of mind? Today lang ba?
Well, today, yesterday, you know.
I'm good.
You go
I'm
ahead.
good. I'm chill. I'm okay.
Ganda. Oo, sabi ko, nung una akong pumasok ko dito sa studio, parang there's a certain sparkle about you. Ganda.
There should always be a sparkle.
Ay, ang ganda nun.
Di ba? Dapat naman laging may
Tama.
sparkle, laging may... Huwag naman fire. Masyado mainit yun. So, baka dapat laging may brightness.
Sabi ni Jelly, ang dami mo raw mga hobbies ngayon. Nagpipaint ka.
Ay, nako, Tito Boy, I'm a hobby girl.
Talaga?
Yeah, because I always want to make use of my time. Unang-una, I'm not a person who can just sit there and not do anything.
So you're into
sinasabi
painting
nila
now?
na nagpe-painting ako. I do my other crafts, like I make gift tags.
Ganda.
I cook. I still cook.
You have one of the best kalyos and napakasapo ng cookies.
Yan.
Oo,
Yan.
talagang ano. And then, aside from your hobbies, sabi ko nga, I can identify with you. Ang hilig-hilig mo mag-ayos ng bahay.
Yes, sobra, Tito Boy.
Bakit?
Alam mo, masama ako pag nasa bahay ako.
Dahil?
Kasi pag nakaupo ako sa bahay, I sit there, nitingnan ko. Ano kaya ang pwede kong ayusin dito? Ano kaya pwede kong baguhin dito? Sahig ba? Pa-paint ko ba itong kwarto ko? I'm always looking for something to fix, to move around.
At minsan, kahit hindi pa, halimbawa, sira, halimbawa, ang tiles, but you just don't like the way it looks now,
Yeah.
papapalitan mo.
Oo. I know, it's bad. Kasi, siguro kasi, ang bilis ng trabaho natin. You know, our
Correct.
life, we live fast lives. Madali tayong mabore.
Right.
Hindi ko naman kayang lumipat ng bahay.
May isa pang
So,
salita.
ayusin ko na lang yung bahay ko.
May isa pang salita na ginamit si Jelly. Nagkwentuhan kami. Alam mo naman ang sister ko ngayon. She has dinner, she has lunches. She's a social butterfly now.
Yes, I know.
Totoo.
It's weird. I just said it kanina. Wala pa naman akong show na ginagawa. Pero bakit parang busy-busy ako? Kasi ang dalas kang magpa-makeup.
Okay.
Which is so not me. Ang
Okay.
dalas kang magpa-makeup.
Some things are
Ang
changing.
dalas kong bumili ng damit, pumunta sa event. Bakit parang ang busy ko?
Okay.
Diba?
At ang
It's
sagot-
not a bad thing.
No, it's
It's
not.
just weird.
Oo.
I just find it weird because normally work lang naman yung pinupuntahan
And
ko
right
eh.
now, you're at a stage in your life when, sino kasama mo sa bahay? I mean, kids have started to go.
To
diba?
go.
Oo, ang
Now-
tawag nila ngayon ay empty nesting, although Yuan's still in the house.
Yuan
no?
is still in the
Oo.
house. So si Yuan, but he works every day.
Right.
He works at night. So sa araw, araw tulog siya. Di ba? So nakikita ko lang siya very briefly.
Right.
Right before he goes to work. Minsan, nakakasabay ko siya mag-lunch. and on weekends. Kasi weekends off siya.
Okay, because
At saka si Dad.
Dad
Dad.
is with you at home. How nice. But that's for another longer conversation. Pero, how does it feel? Ito yung mga bata na kasama mo sa hapagkainan for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, and suddenly, Moira is in another house, Ina, Kyla is living separately,
Yes.
independently. Ano yun? I mean, is this the reason why madalas ka magpa-makeup ngayon?
Hindi naman. I just realized, well, having said that, magkakasama kami one time. And then when I was on my way home, sabi ko, malalaki na talaga yung mga anak ko. I have so much time. I have so much time. Yun talaga yung iniisip ko. Tapos kino-compare ko, dati ba wala kang time? Hindi naman, may time din naman ako.
Pero-
It's just that I choose to stay home.
Okay. Right.
I choose to stay home kasi nandun yung mga kids. Maarte yung mga anak ko pagdating sa pagkain, so asikasuhin mo yung pagkain nila. Kailangan alam mo kung ano yung isuserve sa kanila. And you're there, at home.
Right. Pero meron bang Sunday lunches? Meron bang, are you
I
slowly...
don't demand
You
that, Tita
don't?
Boy.
Oo.
I don't demand that because I know si Kyla, nag-aartista, we're in the same industry.
Right.
Ina's in the same industry. Si Moira's quite busy. I understand that they have lives of their own. And I don't want to burden them with a feeling na, naku, kailangan mag-lunch. Kailangan mag-lunch sa
Right.
bahay. Ayokong isipin pa nila yon.
Oo. Right.
When they're free, when they're okay, kayo magsabi sa akin.
Sinong
Tsaka may pride ako. May pride ako.
Siyempre.
Aba, akong tawagin nyo.
Sinong pinakamalambing?
Iba-iba kasi sila ng lambing eh. Si Ina kasi, there was a time in our lives na medyo lagi kaming kontrapelo. And that was, I think, phase yun talaga na pinagdadaanan. Na nung una, syempre, I felt bad. Kino-question ko na yung pagiging nanay ko. Kasi, am I doing things wrong? Or, ano ba, masama ba akong ina? Nakikipakialamera ba ako? And when she started living separately, nakita ko yung change sa kanya.
For the
She
better.
became,
Oo.
she became sweeter,
Oo.
she became nicer. So sabi ko siguro, even with Moira and Kyla, nagkaroon din kami ng time na parang, ano ba itong mga anak ko? Tinatanong ko lang naman kung saan sila pupunta. Not because I'm going there or I will stop them, but because I'm a parent, I need to know where you are. I don't care where you are. I just want to know where you are.
That's a mother.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Yun
Oo.
lang naman. Tapos yung nagde-disagreements na kami or naiinis na ako kasi hindi sila naglilinis ng kwarto. Naiinis na ako kasi yung peanut butter, hindi nila masara yung takip mainggi. Or yung ilaw sa kwarto nila, lahat bukas. So, when they said that they were going to move out, initially parang, okay, malulungkot na ako. Mamimiss ko sila. I'm used to hovering. I'm used to
Right.
hearing their laughter in the morning. Or I'm used to seeing them exercise.
Ano yung what's funny? Nasanay ka na rin mainis dahil nakabukas ang ilaw. Nasanay ka na rin dahil peanut butter nakabukas.
So, sanay na ako.
Oo.
So, okay, I think I'm going to be sad. But you know what? I realized after, I'm not as sad as I thought I would be.
You're chill, sabi mo nga.
Chill.
Pero balikan ko lang. Like for example, si Ina, were you against that relationship? With
I wasn't
Jake?
against
Oo.
the relationship kasi hindi naman ako ang makakasama nila.
Right.
Ikaw naman yan. Anong karapatan ko maging against their relationship? Di ba? I'm no saint. So, alam ko yung kontra din yung nanay ko o kontra din yung tatay ko, di ba? So, I know how it feels for them. My point at that time was, let's do it right.
Oo.
Let's do it right. It was very tumultuous for a while until things just fell in their places. Okay na. Okay naman pala.
Ang ganda. Oo,
Diba?
meron talaga.
Oo.
Maaantayin mo lang. You have to wait.
And then, when things are okay, that's when you say, O, di ba okay naman?
Correct. Oo. No, ang ibig kong sabihin nun sa pag-aantay, minsan, pinipilit natin as parents,
Yes.
but you wait for the right time, and that's God's time.
Exactly.
Diba?
Kasi, pag parents tayo, di ba, feeling ko, kaya rin siguro tayo nagiging ganyan. We're always worried about ano yung sasabihin nila.
You're coming from that
Anong
space.
sasabihin ng kapitbahay? Anong klaseng nanay ito? Whether we like it or not, we think that way.
Ayokong pagdaanan ng pinagdaanan ko. Ayokong
Yan.
mahirapan ng
Ayokong
aking...
sabihin nila na ganito.
Right.
Then after a while, buhay ko to eh.
Tama.
Buhay namin to. Pakialam nila.
Moira ba has gotten married?
Moira is getting married next year.
Ay, she is.
Yes, she
But
is
she's engaged
about to.
na.
Engaged na.
How nice.
Oo.
What about Danielle and Kyla? Are they as open to you? Patawa, DJ, ha? Kung nanonood ka, ako'y nabigla.
I am just happy that Kyla is happy. Yun lang. Para sa isang parent, ang gusto mo lang maging masaya
Lahat.
sila.
Oo. Lahat.
Diba? When you see that your child is happy, anong karapatan mo makialam at gumitna doon sa happiness?
Right.
Basta happy ka, yun lang ang gusto ko.
And she's a very good actor.
Oh, thank you.
She is. Oo, napakahusay.
Thank you. And I always tell my children kasi, since gusto niya yung relationship na yan, there will always be misgivings coming from me. Kasi ang gusto mo lang naman as a parent, hindi sila masaktan, di ba? Yun lang yun. Huwag masaktan. Huwag
Oo,
mahirapan.
Tama. At saka may sinabi kanina, I'm no saint, you know.
I'm no
Marami
saint.
akong pinagdaanan. Pumapasok ba doon ang elemento na sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, ayoko kayong masaktan katulad ng sakit na
Of
pinagdaanan.
course.
Di ba? Pumapasok yun.
Of course. Pero, again,
I will not impose.
I will not impose. And because, naging rebelde din ako in a way. And I've always asked my parents to trust me. So, nagre-ring yun sa ulo ko every time na naiinis ako or parang, tama ba to? Nagre-ring yun. Lagi ko naiisip yun, huy, Janice. Di ba, sinasabi mo rin yan dati pagkatiwalaan ka. So,
Oo.
I have to trust my children
Right.
na kaya nilang panindigan, and whatever happens, they'll come out of it okay.
When one of your kids gets involved in a controversy, katulad ni Ina, itong Kiina at saka, the internet star
Yes.
Rosmar, got into a controversy. Do they go to you? Did you get involved? I mean, do you give them advice?
I cannot not get involved. I'm a mom, I called her. I immediately told her what was wrong. Tapos, quiet na ako. Tapos,
Okay.
quiet na ako. Basta nasabi ko na, quiet na ako. Kasi I have to leave you to think about it eh. Ikaw na yan. I told you what was wrong. Ikaw na yan.
Okay.
Ikaw na yan.
I get it. Ngayon
And when we saw each other, after ko siyang sinabihan, I never said anything. Did not talk to her about the issue. Nothing.
Nasabi mo.
Nothing. And when it was over, recently lang, sabi ko sa kanya, since tapos na, pwede ba? Please, ingat din.
Okay. Tama naman.
Di ba?
Oo.
Hindi na ako yung nagbibigay ng mahabang sermon.
Tama.
Maikli na lang.
Saka chill ka na ngayon. Bukas, Naitay Kapuso is Janice de Belen Day. Bakit ito ay Janice de Belen Day dito sa GMA7? At pangalawa, kumusta ba ang lagay ng iyong puso ngayon? Ang kasagutan sa magbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kasama ho natin ang napakagandang Janice de Belen. Let's do Fast Talk.
Ayan ako.
Janice, anak ni Janice, asawa ni Janice.
Anak ni Janice.
Janice noon, Janice ngayon.
Janice ngayon.
Maganda, magaling.
Magaling, syempre.
Peace of mind, happy heart.
Peace of mind.
K-drama marathon o tulog buong araw.
Drama marathon.
Pilyo pero gwapo o gwapo pero boring.
Diyan tayo may problema. Doon sa pilyo eh. Doon tayo sa pilyo eh.
Okay. Your favorite Janice de Belen movie?
Wow! Favorite, Rosenda.
Your least favorite Janice de Belen movie?
Mahalin mo ang asawa ko.
Your first screen kiss?
Gabi Concepcion, Papi Love. Oo, yun ba? Yun
Yes.
nga.
Your first showbiz boyfriend?
Gabi Concepcion.
Misconception ng mga tao sa'yo?
I'm I don't know, suplada.
Talaga?
Pero suplada din naman ako. On occasion. On occasion.
Yes. Craziest, and for good reason sometimes. Craziest thing love did to you.
Everything.
Mas nakakatakot, growing old or being alone?
Growing old.
Mas magaling, ikaw o si Jelly?
Ako.
Saan ka mas iyakin? On screen, off screen?
Off-screen.
Kailan ka mas sexy? Sa gabi o sa umaga?
Nowadays, sa umaga na lang.
Kanino ka mas close ngayon? Aga o Gabi?
Gabi.
Guilty or not guilty? Nang busted ng actor?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? May what if pa rin sa pag-iibig?
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Niligawan ng politiko?
Not guilty.
Lights on or lights off?
Doesn't matter at this point.
Happiness or chocolates?
Sorry, Tito Boy, chocolate tayo. Chocolate pa rin ako.
Best time for chocolates.
All the time.
Message to your younger self. Ano ito?
Younger self. I wish I knew earlier what I really wanted.
And what you wanted was?
Nowadays, when I think about it, I would have wanted to take so many things, to do so many things. May days na sana nag-interior design ako. May days na sana naging psychologist ako, which is what
Ganda.
I tried to study. And then, on other days, sana naging doktor ako. You know, but I wish I really sat down and thought about it.
That's right.
Diba?
Pero,
Because I could have done so much more.
of course. That's in hindsight. But ako naman, as a fan, you cannot complain because you made a mark as an actor.
Oh, yun naman.
Diba?
I cannot complain din.
We cannot. Oo. Okay. Bakit ho Janice de Belen Day bukas dito sa GMA7? Because she stars in both Magpakailanman and Wish Ko Lang.
I know!
Wow!
Oh my God! Kahit ako na-shock, totoo ba?
Okay. Saan yung may, you fall in love with a younger man?
That is for Wish Ko Lang.
That's really cute. I caught that sa TikTok po. Ito ba yung may gripo?
Yes, yan yung may gripo, oo.
Ang cute mo doon.
Do you know that it was quite... Nag-isip ako eh. Tinanggap ko kasi I like working with Direk Adolf.
Okay.
I like working with him. So if I like working with you, pagka sinabi mong guest, oo, kaagad ako. Tapos nung nabasa ko yung script, sabi ko, kaya ko pa ba ito? Kasi medyo, oh my God, kaya ko pa ba ito? Medyo baka weird na, yung medyo nakakadiring tingnan. Yun yung di ba? Yung totoo lang, yung talaga inisip ko, baka naman sabihin nila nakakadiri naman to si Janice.
Okay.
So sabi ko, kaya ko pa ba to? So pinag-isapan namin ni Adolf, relax lang, kalma lang. So,
I love that scene.
di ba?
Oh,
So dapat konti lang, wag OA.
Oo, yung I like that tension. Gusto ko yung nahawakan ka na, 'di ba? Would you fall in love with somebody as young as Alex? 'Di ba? Is that Alex in the scene?
Alex Diaz, yes.
Oo, Alex Diaz is there.
May limitasyon
Congratulations.
naman ako, Tita Boy.
May limitasyon
May
ka.
limitasyon
Kailangan hanggang ditong edad.
Hanggang dito lang.
And what age is that?
Ngayon, it doesn't really matter. Hanggang 10 lang tayo. Pero
Hanggang?
hindi na rin. Hanggang 10 years younger.
10 years
Because
younger.
my last boyfriend was 10 years younger than I am. Pero parang wag na lang.
Pero are you open? Are you bukas with... No, talaga?
No more, Tito
You don't wanna
Boy.
go into a relationship anymore?
Hindi ko na alam what a relationship is. Eh.
Pero minsan pag sinasabi mong hindi, doon nangyayari ang lahat.
Ay, hindi. Nakipag-deal
Deal.
na ako with God.
Oo, na hanggang-
Talagang wag na. And you know, people tell me, wag ganon, Janice, kasi baka marinig yan ng mangyari talaga. Yan naman talaga yung gusto kong mangyari.
Okay.
Ayoko na talaga because first, it's been, 18 years? 18 ba o more?
Okay.
Parang more. Ay, hindi, 18 years. It's been 18 years. Ano na ba ang dating... Ano na ba ang nangyayari sa dating
changed lang. You
scene?
don't know ang galawan.
I don't know
Oo,
anymore.
right.
I don't know. Ano ba dapat? Ano ba yung ethics? Ano ba yung mga etiquette ngayon? Hindi ko na alam, di ba?
Correct.
Or, tsaka, I've seen so many bad things happen with relationships.
I get it.
Ang dami ko na nakikita, ang dami ko ng kaibigan na boys. So, nakikita ko na, ang dami ko ng narinig ko na yung mga opinion nila, mga
Right.
nila.
magpakailanman na lang,
Hindi na kaya.
imbitahan mo ang lahat.
Oo.
Ang magpakailanman at saka wish ko lang. Go ahead, invite everyone.
In the afternoon tomorrow, wish ko lang at 4 p.m. Iba po yung storya, kakaiba. Sana nagawan ko ng maganda. Sana nagawa ko maganda. Then at night, the story, sabi nga nila, nagbalik ako sa roots ko, which is horror.
Yes.
Diba? So, may pagka-horror siya. Iba din naman na nangyayari. Tsaka may totoo to. Totoo.
Supportahan po natin si Janice. Panuurin po natin. Magpakailanman ang wish ko lang.
I really always have a good time with you, Tito Boy.
Ako din. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
And all the best.
Thank you,
All the
Tito
best.
Boy.
Maraming salamat po, Naitay, Kapuso, sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin sa inyong mga tahanan at puso araw-araw. Be kind, make your nanay and tatay proud, and say thank you. Piliin ang tama, bihuan tama. Goodbye for now. God bless.